So now let's see how we can utilize the auto color option inside of Davinci Resolve. So in order to work around with that, I'm going to go around and bring in this file right here. And once I bring in this file, you can see that this file, that is this video, has a certain color. So if I were to go around over here onto the tools right here, and under the color option, you can go around and click on auto color, and you can see that it automatically corrects out the contrast and some colors over here on the video, and it makes it look much more sharper right here, as you can see. So immediately you can see the change in the video that is applied right here. So let me just go around over here and bring in some other footages. So let me just go around onto the end of the timeline right here and bring in another footage right here. So for this as well, for the another footage that I brought in as well, I can go around and work around with its color right here. So if I were to go around over here and click on auto color, you can see that it is corrected over here as well, just in one click. So this is a quick way of fixing out different videos as per how you like it. So I'm just going to go around and bring in this video footage over here as well. And once I bring in this video footage over here onto the end, I'm going to go around over here onto the auto color, just click on it, and you can see that it has been applied right there. And that is how you can work around with auto color option inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.